doing, Bunky boy? Oh, you going over to play with your toys? Oh, have you got a Wii People in your hand? Can I have your Wii People? I can only touch your Wii People. I can't have it. Can I have it? What happens if I take it? No, I can't take your Wii People, huh? What have you got, Sterling? It's a Wii person. Do you love that Wii People? Is it your favorite friend? Next to Ella? What is your sister doing? What are you doing, Ella? Oh, okay. Did you lose your Wii People? There you go. There's your Wii person. Look, we have more Wii People. Here's that Wii person. That Wii person. Now can I have a Wii People? Thank you. Thank you for sharing, Sterling. That was very nice. Can Ella have a Wii person? Here you go, Ella. You can have a Wii person too. Oh, dang. Oh, no? Can't have it, huh? I can only touch your Wii People. I am not allowed to have it. Oh, can I have it? Thank you. Uh-oh. You better get it or Ella's gonna take it. Ella! Where are you going? Why don't you walk, honey girl? Love you, Ella. Mwah. Say mwah. 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 Give a kiss? Say mwah. Mwah. Did you just say mwah? Funny girl, stop doing that. You can't call me and be on video.